Alright, so I got a haircut. So this is my new hair. I'm happy with it. But anyway, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a chi ball. It's a really easy way and really effective. So you're going to take your hands like this to make your chi ball. You're going to make it in between your two hands. Okay. And you're going to imagine that your hands are magnets. And when you push them together, it's more like you're straining to push them together because they're opposing one another. They're opposing magnets, but you're trying to force them together. And imagine where that point would be at which you start trying to slip off of each other, because you can't get them any closer. And they're just wobbling. And imagine that sensation if you've ever held two opposing magnets together. You try to touch them, but they start wobbling and you start losing control. Imagine that sensation. And make sure you do this when you're not going to be disturbed, when you're very relaxed, and put all of your focus into this. This requires 100% focus. Meditate beforehand if you'd like, or center and ground with the earth, and just do this here. And so they're opposing one another, and they're at that point to where you just can't bring them together, and then you bring them apart. Exhale. But as you're bringing them apart, the polarity of the magnets change. And so now they're attracting one another, but you're forcing them out. But you imagine the energy, you feel the energy of the magnets attracting one another, but you're pulling them out. Then you exhale as you would before you lift a weight or do an exercise or do a push-up. You exhale as you strain. You exhale as you come up off of the ground and you're doing a push-up. You're exhaling as you're straining them together because now they're opposing each other again. So it's just a constant attracting and opposing. They're opposing each other. I'm squeezing them in to get to that point where they're just not coming together, and I can feel that energy. I imagine that energy. Then I pull them apart, but they're attracting each other, but I'm pulling them apart, even though they're wanting to come together. So I inhale, and then exhale. They're opposing each other. They don't want to come together, but I'm squeezing them together. Inhale. They're attracting each other, but I'm forcing them apart. Okay? You just do this. Just sit there 5 minutes and do this. Okay? Meditate or whatever you need to do to make yourself relaxed. You can just sit down and do it. Great. Just do this for 5 minutes. opposing, attracting, opposing, attracting. And when you start to imagine how a magnet, take some magnets if you want, and see how they feel. If you need to get better acquainted with magnets or whatnot, imagine that the magnets are the palms of your hands. When you imagine that energy of how a magnet feels, you will feel the energy, because there is an electromagnetic energy, or maybe it's electrostatic. I'm not sure, which one it is, but it's some kind of a biological magnetic field of some kind that you're going to feel. It's chi energy. So that's the way that I find to be the easiest to do that. I've shown numerous people how to do this. A few people, okay? And they've all done it. I've never had anybody say that it didn't work. If you do this, you will feel the chi energy. And so you can see the Great Queen's altar, our shrine over here. The Great Queen is watching me from the shadows. Alright, later.